Hello everybody, I have just made 2 or 4 big videos about my juices. I made 2 red juices for Valentine's. This is with red pepper and beetroot, and this is with watermelon and beetroot. And I have, spent a whole probably hour to explain every benefit for the ingredients that I've used, but also the essential oils that I've used. And I thought it just didn't, excuse me, I'm all red. It didn't film, it didn't record anything, and it didn't save anything. So I can't show you what I have done, but I can just say that it was a messy red experience. But this is an amazing way to show your loved one as well that you can. So with this, as I said, beetroot is amazing for blood pressure, for digestive system. I've added Copaiba. Hello, Sophie. I've added Copaiba. Copaiba is like the CBD oil that people talk about. We call it Copaiba in doTERRA, and it's great for the nervous system. So if you have any issues with your brain system and nervous system, hello. It's a great way to use Copaiba for that. Beetroot is the best way to boost your immune system. It's a rooty vegetables, is a great. I know some people think, ugh, drink it raw, eat it raw is disgusting, but believe me, if you love yourself enough and you think your health is important enough, then you juice it. It's absolutely gorgeous. And with pepper is just great again for digestion. It has a lot of vitamins. I'm just repeating myself what I've said earlier, but adding these two together plus the Copaiba, it's absolutely gorgeous. And look at this red. Look at it, you can't get any redder than this. Look, it's absolutely gorgeous. And this is the way you showed yourself and you show anybody you love them by doing a beautiful juice for them. This is watermelon with it has also grapefruit. Grapefruit essential oils is the best oil to start with your day because it helps with the immune system, but it also helps with cellulite. As women, we have this problem. So cellulite is great because grapefruit, it has a great agent that can break down the cellulite. So it's an amazing way to do that. And also it has a lot of vitamin C. I think it's 200% of it is vitamin C, so it's an amazing way to boost your metabolism with vitamin C from grapefruit essential oil. So in this one, it has watermelon and it has grapefruit. Watermelon is 92% water. I can imagine how the best way to hydrate your body with the watermelon. So it's great. At the moment, it's not the great season for it, but who cares? It's still watermelon and you can still drink it with beetroot. It tastes amazing. This is the best drink you can have. Absolutely gorgeous. And I sieved it because it had too much pulp. So I sieved it and I showed how to do it, but again, I didn't save it. But and now it's really smooth, a beautiful drink, absolutely sweet as anything, because again, beetroot is sweet and watermelon is absolutely gorgeous. So here we go, 2 great juice, 2 love juice that you can give to your amazing partner or to yourself if you have no one to share with. So it doesn't matter, love yourself before you love anyone. That is my motto. If you missed what I said earlier about the Essential Cleanse, we have an amazing program that is coming up by the end of this month. Go to my link tree on my profile, click on Essential Cleanse, and you have all the information you need there. I've been doing this for 5 years and I've been helping a lot of people going through the cleanse and being their mentor and helping them with boosting their immune system, but also to declutter your body from all the gunk that you have accumulated for such a long time. It's really completely, not only just a detox, but it's scrapping everything from scratch and reboosting your body, reactivate, renew, reset your energy and your body and your mind. It's not just about your body as well. Excuse me, I'm all red everywhere. But thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much, Sophie, who's watching. Thank you very much for listening to me talking about my favorite juice for Valentine's, and I hope you're gonna do that and use them. It's only 2 ingredients plus oil if you have essential oils. If you don't have essential oils, I am your oily girl. Come and talk to me. I will wish you an amazing Valentine Day for you and for your loved one, and I hope to see you very soon. Reach out to me. Bye bye. Thank you for the heart. I really appreciate that. Take care. Bye.